G'day, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. Well, today we have something slightly different. We're back on e-bikes. Welcome to the shed, by the way. E-bikes. This shed will come up in later videos. E-bikes are great. Love e-bikes. So much fun. If you haven't tried an e-bike and you like bike riding, do it. Just get out there and do it. It's awesome. It's like being a Superman. And will increase the distance you ride proportionally to being a Superman. But, if you're looking for an e-bike, I just discovered a really good argument against rear hub powered bikes, and that is this. What is that, you ask? That is a free wheel remover tool from Park Tools. It's the FR 1.3, which is what I needed for my Shimano gear set. I did not know that before I started this job, by the way. But thankfully there are some great videos out there. If anyone's looking for this kind of thing, look, I've looked at actually 5-6 videos, so probably best off just to type in the actual specific problem you're having. But free wheel removal, Park Tools has a series of videos on this, and on the tool you'll need and such, and they're very good. But here we are. Let me just swap my hand for a minute. If you want to use this tool, you're going to need to put it in there. Now, apart from obviously having to remove the wheel, there is a serious impediment to this. The wiring. So you've got to get these bolts, this cover, the bolt, the whatever that funny little washer with the arm is that stops it from spinning, everything on the axle, you've got to take it off. And the thing is, none of those things have a hole as big as this, and they've got to come off here. Now this, one moment please. Okay, so this was originally this. And as you can see, monkey make no go in hole. Sad monkey. But sad monkey no more. I have had to do the wiring, fix it, blah blah blah. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is an argument against rear wheel drive hubs. You may find this is similar for any hub drive, whether it's front or rear, that it's an absolute arse. Well, the front doesn't have a gear set on it, but it's an absolute arse to work on the bearings probably for the front. I don't know, I haven't actually played one of them. But the back definitely is. If you want to get in there and get any of this stuff off, you've got to go a lot further than you would with another bike. So yes, mid-drive bikes do have higher chain wear, but it's a big but. There's a lot easier service components it's a lot easier to service the components on a mid-drive bike than it is on a hub-driven rear-wheel bike, at the very least. Anyway, that's it. Short video today. Please do like and subscribe and enjoy the puppy footage. Peace out. Catch you next time.